So in this video, let's see what are the different kinds of dashboards that we have, what insights can we draw, and how do we set up the phlebotomists. So this is a multi-donor collections dashboard. All the collections that happen in a particular week will pop up here. To view this, you go to CRM Home Collections, and this is where you will see the multi-donor collections dashboard. You can select a date range of 1 week. This is like a weekly insights dashboard, and can also select next or previous week. Now, let's go ahead and see the different kinds of filters that are available to draw insights from this dashboard. First is the reason for visit. If reason for visit is suppose say for cause, these were the collections that happen for cause, and on these dates. Now, let's consider if the reason for collection is pre-employment, then these were the collections that happened. You can also filter based on status, say pending or unallocated. These are all the collections that are pending of that week. Unallocated means there was no phlebotomist or collection technician allocated. Allocated means the collection technician or phlebotomist was allocated, but collection is not started. Then we have other statuses like traveling to job, on job, traveling from job. Completed is an important status. Return to base also is an important status. Cancelled again is an important status. Here you will have all canceled orders and all of the details related to the order. You can also filter by phlebotomist name. Say I want to check bookings per phlebotomist or CT, I can do it right here. Next, you can filter based on the order tags. Account, which is the client or organization. You can view bookings per client as well. If we take walk-in test, these were the bookings for that client. Next, we can also filter based on the collection method and also the account that is the client code. If you want a larger view of the calendar, you can remove the Quick Insights. In the Quick Insights, you can check counts. Total weekly bookings were 65. We also can check the count status-wise. Pending were 13, allocated was 1, on job is 0, completed were 47. And then reason for test reason counts, which is for cause was 10, unannounced was 0, and others as mentioned. Here you can check count against each reason for test, which is added while we book orders. This is where you will see 10 phlebos or CTs were assigned for visits this week, and these are the phlebos with highest number of bookings in that week. If you wish to view count of all phlebos, you can click on View More, and you can check those counts too. Now going back, every booking on the hover of that booking, we will see booking details, which is the time, account code, all the details of that bookings which are necessary will be shown here. Moving to the next dashboard, let's go to the phlebotomist dashboard. This is a very insightful dashboard when it comes to knowing exact details on each of the phlebotomist. You can filter phlebotomist based on their current location and base location. You can filter by status. Let's check which are available. All of these phlebos are available. None are traveling to the job. None are traveling to base. None are on the job. Let's check which are unavailable, which means no bookings can be assigned to them. These are all which are unavailable. You can also view bookings of a particular phlebotomist. Like if I have to check bookings of Mehul Lutkar, I can see that he has done these many bookings in this date range. Again, these are the bookings of overall all the phlebotomists. Here again, you can filter by reason for visit. You can see all the reasons here, as seen in Collections dashboard. Filter by order tags, status, collection method, and also adjust the date range. You have a view of all the bookings and can choose to go to a particular booking from here. This is where you can see the phlebotomist locations and all the site locations at which the bookings have taken place, with the date, time, and status of that booking. Moving ahead, this is where you can configure the tags for the phlebotomists. You can add a tag, select a theme, color, etc. And this is how the tag will be represented while the phlebotomist is assigned, or on the phlebotomist dashboard. While we are assigning the phlebotomist anything related to phlebotomist, if you want to show a tag, you can configure it here. Of course, we have default tags already configured. This is where you can view, add, edit all your phlebotomists, that is the collection technicians. You can view their bookings, which were assigned to them, with booking details. Moving ahead, you can also edit the phlebotomist details. So this phlebo is available on these dates from time to time. You can add break timings also here, and you can remove any timings. You can add breaks. If suppose say it is a Monday, you want a full day break Monday, the phlebo doesn't work, you can do that, or you can select a time from 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. Also add the reason/comment of the break. Let's add the reason as break. So on a Monday, 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. this flebo will be on a break, so no assignment should happen. This is where you configure all the login details and any holidays that the flebo takes, like weekly holidays. You can add the holidays here. This addition is similar to the addition of breaks. This is how you can have the setup of the phlebotomists or collection technicians. So yes, this is the overall procedure, and these are our two most insightful dashboards, the multi-donor dashboard and the phlebotomist dashboard. Thank you.